Good evening, everyone. Today, the students are going to do the speaking activity. We have already given them the topic and they are ready. And now they are going to start. Over to you, audience.
And can I start?
Yeah.
Good evening, everyone. I will say few lines about my room. It may look like other room in the house, but my room is above them all. It is just perfect for me. It is a small place about 12 feet by 18 feet, with a desk and a dresser, a closet, and of course, a bed. There is always a light scent of vanilla from a candle that I burn sometimes. I want to relax. Comfortable because my bedroom is very comfortable because it's my own place. My room is the only place in the house where I can come and relax without caring about anything else. The only place that I go to clear my mind. Thank you.
Very well, you have spoken. I really like the energy you started with. And good points you have come up with. Great. Next, participant.
Ma'am, I need to say here, here is my friend Shanvi to speak few lines about her topic.
Thank you, Reyansh, for calling my name. Good evening, everyone. My name is Shanvi, and today I'm going to speak on the topic the refrigerator. A refrigerator is a machine used for keeping things cool. It is sometimes called a fridge or an icebox. It is normally maintained at 4 to 5 degrees Celsius for household use. People put food, drinks, and many more things in it to keep those items cool and it and it and to protect from not spoiling it. Refrigerator is also called fridge. Sometimes refrigerator are are used from the electricity. When the electricity is gone, the refrigerator turns off. Turns off. It is normally used to keep the things not spoiled for the longer time. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Okay, Shanvi, I will like to add few things. A refrigerator has become one of the important electronic item in the house. It's very useful. You can keep raw fruits and vegetables inside, which will not get spoiled. It will be fresh for many days. Though we should avoid eating cooked food kept once kept in the refrigerator, but yes, it has got many advantages. Thank you so much. Like, good try, Shanvi.
Good. I love what you have spoke. Now I would call my friend Adya to speak on her topic.
Ma'am, actually, I have a network issue, so I'm not able to uh, hear.
Okay, it's no problem. Who's next? Adya?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Adya, whatever is your topic, speak.
Okay, ma'am.
Turn on the
Good
camera,
evening,
please, Adya.
everyone. Good evening, everyone. Today I'm going to speak some few lines on my topic, my school bag. My school bag is blue and pink in color. It is based on Cinderella theme. It has 3 chains. The front chain carries my basic things like my handkerchief and my crayons. The second chain carries my books and the last chain carries my tiffin. Sometimes my bag gets heavy, but it always helps me carrying my books whether it is much heavy. That is the only reason I like my school bag very much. Thank you.
Good. It was
It
good.
was good. It was very nice, Adya.
Shanvi, wait for the feedback. Let the program go. Okay.
It was very good. Now I would call my friend Shivansh to speak on his topic.
Thank you, Reyansh, for calling my name. And good evening, everyone. I'm going to speak on my topic, my wardrobe. My my wardrobe is blue in color, and
Wardrobe.
I love
My wardrobe.
my wardrobe is blue in color, and and I love to have a collection of clothes that I love to have a collection of clothes. Some are old, some are new, and some are blue. As some are cozy, some are bright, and some are simple. I love my wardrobe so much because I I have a collection of clothes on it. My wardrobe is not only a
My
wardrobe.
wardrobe. You are not clear. Wardrobe.
My wardrobe is is not a wardrobe to me. My wardrobe is special for me. It always has my clothes and keep them neat and clean. My wardrobe also helps my mother and father to keep clothes neat and tidy, or or if they do not keep in wardrobe, the clothes will be not neat and tidy. My wardrobe always always is always
My wardrobe is organized. I maintain it regularly. I arrange it. You can add
I
these words.
arrange I arrange my clothes and my wardrobe nicely neat and tidy because it's my room. Done, ma'am.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Good. Last but not the least, I will call my friend Rahib Bhaiya to speak on his topic.
Good evening, everyone. Today I'm going to speak few lines about my house. My house is very big and spacious. It has many lamps hanging on the ceilings. There are beautiful ceilings in the house. There are 4 rooms, a kitchen, a lobby, and 3 bathrooms. A kitchen is um, there. There I also I and my sister also have study tables. There are luxury lights on the ceilings. Um, my my house uh, my house also is painted with yellow, blue, and green color. Thank you.
The colors are vibrant. My house is comfortable for everyone. We have kept the special taste for everybody. Everybody has a special corner in this house or a special place where they can sit and relax. It is a very good place for a good, big family to have good time, conversations, sing songs. My house has a wooden flooring or a marble flooring. You can describe this also. I haven't decorated my room with, but I would like to do it with my future paintings, which I will do it in my summer vacations. We have recently shifted to this house. We are still making memories, and it's a very beautiful house. I'm thankful to God for this house. Thank you. You can say all these things. Okay, good try. So, Reyansh, over to you. How will you end this?
Everyone has spoken very good. Now we have to end the topics. Over to ma'am.
Thank you, Reyansh. You were a wonderful host, and all the participants have participated excellent. I enjoyed your enthusiasm and your participating spirit. Way to go.